Hi there, how are you doing? Now we're going to learn about reference types. Reference types in JavaScript are objects, arrays, regular expression, and date type. Okay. So before we dive deep into them, I just wanted to go through this reference type one more time. So in traditional programming languages such as Java, classes are reference type. So that's why they called class-based programming language or the object-oriented programming languages. So they're based on classes. However, in JavaScript, objects are equivalent to classes. So everything in JavaScript is object. Okay. So object type is the base from which all other reference types inherit their basic behavior. So that is one important thing to understand about JavaScript. Object type is the base for all other types, for all other reference types. Okay, so all reference types such as object itself, array, date, and regular expression, and we will cover these step by step. Okay, they inherit the basic behavior from the object type. So let's create a reference type, object, one of the reference type. So let's create that. So we can do that. I think we've done before as well, but let's do it one more time. For example, I want to create an object and put that object as a value, assign that to a variable called person. Okay, so variable person equals to new object. So you create an object type using the new operator and followed by the object constructor. Okay, so this is the way we do create a new object in JavaScript, and there's another way as well. This is one way. Another way would be, I think I've shown you earlier as well. Another way is using the object literal. Okay, so this way also you can create a new object, and you can add properties, methods, and so on. So object, we're going to learn more about objects as well as arrays. Arrays methods are extremely powerful. So we're going to learn that, and we're going to learn about the date type and regular expressions as well. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.